Says, that smells Tigger. That's what Tigger says on Winnie the Pooh when Winnie the Pooh goes to sleep in his bed.
You doing your puzzle?
Yeah. Or I'm just pretending I'm asleep like Winnie the Pooh. So, Mommy, I like it here.
I'm glad. Very good at your jigsaw puzzles. Do you like jigsaw puzzles?
I do like jigsaw puzzles.
What do you like about it?
I like doing jigsaw puzzles. That smells me.
You've got 3 other puzzles in that pile of pieces, don't you? So you have to sort out what pieces you want for that puzzle.
What is it? Where did it go?
Don't know.
I hope it goes here under. It does go here, you're right.
Clever girl. How old are you, Addison?
2.
2. Do you know when your birthday is?
Yeah.
When?
In July.
Good girl.
July.
July?
Mom, it's in July. July.
How old will you be in July?
Yeah. I'll be Jack in July.
You'll be what?
I'll be Jack in July.
Will you be 3?
No, I'll be Jack.
You'll be Jack?
No.
Are we going to Montana in July?
Yes, we are.
Who are we going to see?
I don't know.
We're going to see Grandpa and Grandma Kay.
Mummy.
What?
Mama.
Clever girl. What's your favourite toy to play with? What do you like the most? Do you like jigsaw puzzles the most?
Yeah, jigsaw puzzles.
I think so too. What does a corner piece look like? Good girl. Is there a corner piece needed yet?
A corner piece.
Yeah. Well done. How many pieces left? 2 more?
Oh, 2 more. No.
1 more.
What was it?
You ready for the drum roll?
What was it?
Don't know.
What was it?
Oh, I see it.
There it is. I'm ready for drum roll.
Yay!
Those are 2 unfound puzzles.
What'd you say?
Oh, thank you.
Say I did it.